family? Do you feel you need family? Hello people, welcome to Fitter Body Leads to Fitter Mind and Happy You. I am Dr. Rashmi. Before I begin answering your questions, here is a story that I want to share with you all. Once a father and a son went to a kite flying festival. The young son became so happy and excited looking at so many colorful kites flying high in the sky. He enjoyed the show and he requested his father to buy him a kite. So his father purchased a kite and a roll of thread for his son. His son started to fly the kite. Soon his kite reached very high in the sky. After a while, the son said, "Father, it seems like the thread is holding the kite from flying very higher. If we break it, it will be free and can go further higher. Can we break it?" Son asked the father. So, father cut the thread from the roller. The kite started to go little more higher. That made the son feel very happy. But then slowly the kite started to come down. And soon it fell down on a terrace of unknown people. The young son was surprised to see this. He had cut the kite loose so that he can let the kite fly higher. But now, to his surprise, the kite fell down. He asked his father, "Father, I thought after cutting the kite free, it would go further higher. But why did it fall down?" The father explained, "Son, at the height of life that we live in, we often think that some things that we are tied with and they are preventing us from going further higher. The thread was not holding the kite from going further higher, but it was helping stay higher when the wind has slowed down. When the wind picked up, you helped the kite go in the right direction through the thread. And when we cut the thread, it fell down without the support that you are providing through the thread." And the son realized his mistake. So, what is your understanding by listening to this story? Sometimes we feel that we can achieve newer heights or success faster if we were not tied to our family or home. But we fail to realize our family, our loved ones, help us survive the tough time in our life with their love, support, and care. And also, they encourage us to reach the new heights being there with us. Please understand, people, they are not holding us but are supporting us like being a thread in the kite. So, never let them go. So, let's understand who are these family members for us. So, family is nothing but group of people connected by blood or ancestry. They have the common blood running with all the members of the family. And there's also a different type of family where even though they don't have a blood relation, they connect based on the love, compassion, and support for each other. You are having a blood related family doesn't mean that these love, compassion, and support is existing. But for sure, there is an opportunity to create that for each other in a family. No family is perfect. We argue, we fight, we even stop talking to each other at times. But in the end, family is family. The love always be there. Thank you so much for spending time with me. I hope this video has helped you to understand why family is important for each one of us. I'll be making a series of videos about family and family related challenges as well. So please Watch out my YouTube channel for many more such videos. Please do share, subscribe and click on the notification button so you get to hear from me every week. Thank you so much. Take care. Keep smiling.